News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Union Public Service Commission, Department of Fertilizers, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Forensic Science Laboratory, Government of NCT of Delhi, Sendect Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kamachipuram, CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology, Cell for IPR Promotion and Management, Commission of Railway Safety, National Crime Records Bureau, and National Water Development Agency. Union Public Service Commission invites online recruitment applications for direct recruitment by selection through website www.upsconline.nic.in to the following post by 28th January 2021. One vacancy for the post of Assistant Director, Shipping, Department of Fertilizers, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. 6 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Dermatology, Venereology and Leprosy, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 7 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Medical Gastroenterology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 13 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Ophthalmology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 19 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 2 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Pediatric Cardiology, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 1 vacancy for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Pediatric Surgery, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 6 vacancies for the post of Specialist Grade 3 Assistant Professor, Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 1 vacancy for the post of Assistant Director, Ballistics, Forensic Science Laboratory, Home Department, Government of NCT of Delhi. The candidates willing to apply for the above post are advised to visit Union Public Service Commission's online recruitment application website www.upsconline.nic.in. The detailed advertisement along with instructions and additional information to candidates for recruitment by selection has been displayed on Commission's website www.upsc.gov.in as well as on the online recruitment application website www.upsconline.nic.in. Applications are invited for the following vacant post under Plan Scheme of Sendect Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kamachipuram, Teni District, Tamil Nadu. 1 post of Subject Matter Specialist, Agricultural Extension. 1 post of Program Assistant, Animal Science. For details, please log on to www.kvktheni.org.in. Those interested need to apply within 21 days from the date of advertisement. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. CSIR covers the entire spectrum of scientific and industrial research of national and international importance. CSIR is one of the world's largest publicly funded industrial R&D organizations with about 4,600 active scientists. CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology (IMTech) is a constituent R&D establishment of CSIR devoted to research in the frontline areas of microbial biology and biotechnology. CSIR IMTech has state-of-the-art research facilities and conduct multidisciplinary research in core areas of molecular microbiology, microbial genetics, genomics, host microbe interaction, pathogen biology, cellular trafficking, structural biology, drug designing and development, applied and environmental microbiology, genetic engineering, microbial diversity and ecology, bioinformatics and large data analytics, and biochemical engineering. The institute is also home to a world-class microbial type culture center and gene bank, MTCC, and International Depository Authority, IDA. Applications are invited for the positions of scientist, senior scientist, and principal scientist from enthusiastic researchers having excellent academic record and proven scientific achievements along with requisite experience and willing to take up challenges and desire to pursue research as a career in the institute. Eligible candidates are required to apply online only. For details and online application, visit the website imtech.res.in. The last date of online submission of application is 15th February 2021, 1700 hours. Cell for IPR Promotion and Management under Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade is planning to engage professionals on contractual basis and accordingly invites applications from eligible candidates for the following positions: 1 post of Assistant Vice President, 4 posts of Manager, and 6 posts of Assistant Manager. Details about terms and conditions and engagement process may be seen at cipam.gov.in and dipp.gov.in. Last date for submitting the application is 25th January 2021. Commission of Railway Safety, working under the administrative control of the Ministry of Civil Aviation of the Government of India, deals with matters pertaining to safety of rail travel and train operation and is charged with certain statutory functions as laid down in the Railways Act 1989, which are of an inspectorial, investigatory and advisory nature. It invites applications for 1 post of Senior Inspector Technical on deputation. It is requested that applications from willing and eligible officers may be forwarded to the concerned authority in the prescribed proforma, complete in all respects within 30 days from the date of publication of this circular. National Crime Records Bureau invites applications for filling up 2 posts of Joint Assistant Director, Group A, in its Crime Records, Administration and Training Division on composite method or deputation basis. The last date of receipt of application is 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. For details, please visit www.ncrb.gov.in. In reference to the vacancy circular published in Employment News dated 24th to 30th October 2020, last date of receipt of applications for filling up 1 post of Chief Engineer in National Water Development Agency, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Government of India on deputation basis including short-term contract, is extended up to 31st January 2021. Detailed vacancy circular is available on National Water Development Agency website www.nwda.gov.in. Those candidates who have applied earlier need not apply afresh. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.